Hello everyone, I welcome you to my English class. Today I will teach you sound of vowel U. So now start. RUG rug, BUG bug, JUG jug, MUG mug, BUN bun, GUN gun, NUN nun, SUN sun, NUT nut, HUT hut, CUP cup, PUP pup, TUB tub, BUS bus, BUD bud, RUN run. Again children, rug, bug, jug, mug, bun, gun, nun, sun, nut, hut, cup, pup, tub, bus, bud, run. Clear student? Do reading practice daily. Thank you.